Hey, it's gone. What the fuck? What the hell?
No, stop it.
Oh. Come on! Quick! Here, puppy!
I ain't never in my life seen a donkey and a dog be best friends.
Oh. Well done. Colt, it's right there. Oh, Chevy! What the hell?
Wow.
Could she carry our dog away?
Oh, hell yeah, she could.
Oh. That's what's going on outside. Oh, he's digging a frickin' hole. Monty!
No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Leo, hey! Leo!
You are not a cow. Come home. Come home, Lola. No. Oh, shit. Get it out of the pool, Axel.
You know, she's not clucking or anything.
Look at her peeking.
Oh no! Whoa, dude!
Chicken on the porch. Chicken on the porch. Chicken on the porch.
Brother, what's that?